Let me go live here. Then here. What up, y'all? About to do something fun tonight. I want to get y'all active. I know what's the score of this game? Cause I know some people watching the game, but you know what? Maybe somebody wants to win some cash today. Let's go. All right, as people come hop in the room, we're about to play bingo. Okay, We're gonna do tax tips and bingo. Okay, I'm gonna be giving a cash giveaway to the winner. Okay, so IRS is opening up tomorrow. A lot of good stuff is coming. So I want to get us ready. Y'all, how about I bless somebody with the refund before they get their refund? Okay, so we're about to be going through some tax tips, but we're gonna be playing bingo, and the winner is going to get a cash giveaway. Okay. So let's see. I know we're live on YouTube. I'm gonna give everybody an opportunity. So as people hop in the room, you can go to iamtaxes.com to get your card. We're gonna be playing bingo. Go to iamtaxes.com and select play bingo. Or if you're on Instagram, go ahead and comment the word bingo. We're gonna be playing bingo, and it's gonna be cash giveaway. Okay. So go to iamtaxes.com. Let's play some bingo. Let's have some fun tonight. And be educated as well. Okay, it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna give some people time so you guys can grab your cards. So go ahead and go to iamtaxes.com. Let's select play bingo. I'm gonna give some people the opportunity to get it. Now the thing is, you probably are gonna need a a separate phone, maybe, or maybe you might need a separate laptop to make it easier so you can be able to play bingo and be able to track your numbers. Okay. So go to iamtaxes.com. I probably should have put that in the comments. But somebody, if you're in the chat, put in iamtaxes.com so everybody could go grab their bingo cards. We're gonna be getting started here in about 2 minutes. I'm gonna give people an opportunity to hop in the room. Go to iamtaxes.com, grab your bingo card. We're gonna be doing a cash giveaway as I talk through some tax tips as we prepare for the IRS to open up tomorrow morning. Okay. Or really at midnight, it's opening up. Okay. So as you guys get in, make sure you guys go to iamtaxes.com. I'm excited to see who's gonna be the winner today. All right. Let's see. And let me know as you guys hop in the room. Let me know if you guys grabbed your cards. Go to iamtaxes.com, hit play bingo. We're gonna do a cash giveaway today. So make sure you guys grab your bingo cards. iamtaxes.com, or if you're on Instagram or Facebook, DM me the word bingo. And we're gonna get started here in about 2 minutes and see who's about to win some money today. Okay, the refund before the refund. And while we're waiting on people to grab their bingo cards, let me know in the chat. Are you guys like are you early filers, or are you the one of the people who like wait to the last minute to file your taxes? I want to know. Let me know in the chat. Do y'all wait to the end, or do y'all want to get that refund quick? Like let me know in the chat, man. Okay, yeah. Early. I need that money. I see. I feel you. I feel you. And let me know, have y'all played bingo before? I'm like pretty new to bingo. It's not like my main forte, but I thought bingo was really more so for older people. Like my mother-in-law plays bingo all the time. I wouldn't be surprised if she's on Facebook Live right now, about to try to win some of this cash. But I wasn't a big fan. But let me know as you guys grab your bingo cards, and I'm gonna check to see how many people grabbed them. But I want a decent amount. But the thing is, if you don't grab your bingo card, and somebody else does, I mean, they have a better chance, right? So make sure you guys go to iamtaxes.com and select play bingo, and we will get started here shortly. And share this with your friends. Share this with somebody. Y'all have multiple opportunities to split the cash prize. So as people start to get it, let me put it in here. I know I'm live pretty much on everywhere, y'all. But IRS is opening up tomorrow. I'm excited. There's a lot of good stuff that are gonna be coming. Let's see. All right, cool. All right, so as you know, before we even get started with bingo and we do the cash giveaway, let's start with our first tax tip. I think that would be good. Because I know we're gonna have some people who are gonna be filing their taxes starting tomorrow. So the IRS, if you didn't know, the IRS officially opens up January 27th tomorrow. Okay, and I believe that filing early is is actually better, right? When you file early, it leaves any opportunity, like, because there's millions of tax returns that are going to be filed this first week, millions. So the faster you do it, the faster obviously the IRS can process your return. But then on top of that, they can actually, you know, this is again, I'm all about legally and ethically, but it has to go through this process, this electronic process, to where you might not even have the opportunity when you're later, when you're amending, you raise the chances of different audits and things like that. But the faster you do it, the earlier you do it, the faster you can get your refund, the faster you can get taxes out of the way. Because I know we don't like thinking about taxes, so it's a better opportunity. I believe the faster you can file, if as long as you have all your documentation, make sure you wait for all your documentation. That's the one thing we're going to talk about, because I've seen it too many times where people they file so early, but then a 1099 came, right, because they still have till your employer or your whoever you contracted work with, they still have till the 31st to send you your documents. So if you're expecting a document, or you don't know if you're expecting a document, sometimes maybe give it a little bit of a cushion before you file your taxes, but you still want to make sure that you're filing early. Okay. Um, so as you guys are hopping in the room, we're gonna be playing bingo, doing a cash giveaway. Until then, until we get enough, I gotta get a decent amount of people in the room so we can see who's actually. Let me see how many cards have been gotten so far. You can comment the word bingo, or go to iamtaxes.com, and we're gonna get started playing some bingo tonight and getting somebody some good stuff. Appreciate it, Harrison. Yes. So as you guys are hopping in, go to iamtaxes.com. I wonder if I could put it in the comments. Yeah, actually, yeah. Let's do it. Mm-hmm. All right, good, 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 good. All right, we're gonna put it. I'm gonna put it on. All right, so I know we got some people on TikTok. Yeah, if you guys are in the room on TikTok, make sure you guys go to grab your bingo card before we get started here. I'm probably gonna give it about five, 5 to 10 minutes before we get started, and see who actually hops on, and we are going to make some things happen. I'm gonna talk about some key changes that you guys should be looking out for as we get into the new tax season, the new year of the tax season, right? Oh yeah, appreciate that. Oh yeah, make sure to share this to your friends, man. Sharing is caring. Make sure you share the live so everybody can eat. Okay. iamtaxes.com. I put in that chat. Okay, let me put it here. I wonder if I can put it in here. I Excuse me, y'all. I'm new to this TikTok stuff. I got the IG on point, but here. All right, here we go. All right, y'all. As we get a few more people in the room, let's go on to number two. Okay. So there's some key changes that have happened for the 2024 tax season. So as we are in 2025, there's a couple of different things that you guys want to be on a lookout for as you prepare to file your taxes coming up. So one of the main things is with child tax credit, which is a lot. I know there's put a one in the chat if you have a if you got a couple dependents, if you have a couple children. But the first change was actually in the child tax credit amount. So the maximum credit amount is still going to be $2,000 per child that is actually under 17 years of age. So they have to be under the age of 17 in order for you to get the full 2,000. But the refundable portion, I think there's a lot of people always think they hear 2,000 and they're like, well, I automatically get 2,000. That's not the case. There's a refundable portion of that amount, and it's increased. It was 1,600 last year. Now it's $1,700. So the refundable purchase was one of the big changes, and then it starts to phase out as you get over 200K if you're a single individual, or 400K if you're filing jointly. Okay, so that's a big change that's coming. Okay, so that's one thing to note. Okay, um, and then another big thing is gonna be the 1099Ks. Okay, so 1099Ks. This is where the threshold is actually increased, or it's decreased. My apologies, it's decreased. Right, so the threshold is now $5,000. Okay, $5,000. It was previously $20,000. Right, and about 200 transactions or so. So now the transactions have come. It's 200 transactions. It was $20,000. Now the threshold is 5,000. So if you have Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, all these places where you're receiving income, right? PayPal. The IRS is starting to track that, and you have to report those income on those platforms if it passes that threshold of about $5,000. Okay, so that's something what you got to think about as the tax season approaches, and making sure that you're compliant. Okay. Um, and as you guys hop in the Zoom, I know I see people hopping in, not to the Zoom account, but to the live. Make sure you go to iamtaxes.com and grab your bingo cards. We are going to be playing bingo tonight, and as people come in, they might have missed it. I'm gonna try to remember some of the numbers, to make sure that we're all on track. But make sure you grab your bingo cards at iamtaxes.com. Again, I think it says play bingo at the top, and we're gonna be doing a cash giveaway. Okay, as we go through some tax tips with IRS opening up tomorrow. And if you guys have any questions as I roll through some of this stuff, feel free to drop a question in the chat, and we'll see if I can get to them. All right, and the next thing you want to think about it for those who are, I think there's sometimes there's more or less like people who have simple tax returns, and maybe you're just a W-2, maybe you typically go to TurboTax and things are free. Or it's not necessarily free on TurboTax, but it depends on what level. If you got state taxes and things like that. But I know there's also the IRS free file that's available for some taxpayers that are $84,000 or less in income. So that's something that you guys can be able to leverage, and not many people know about that. But if you don't have a crazy tax situation, I mean, by all means, have at it. IRS will definitely take care of you. Okay. Another change was is the tax brackets, right? So the tax brackets and the standard deductions have changed significantly, right? So this was some adjustments that happened because of inflation, right? So it's more favorable this year. So that last year, I know there were lines out the wall where people were complaining about the refunds not being as big and things like that, which kind of it's broke mentality, my personal opinion. But nonetheless, there was there were some adjustments that were made to inflation. So the standard deduction has increased because of inflation, and there's some bonus deductions that are available for people who are 65 years old and above. Okay, so there's some additional deductions that you can think about. Um, but I see you guys. I see you on YouTube. Make sure you guys go to iamtaxes.com. We are going to be doing a cash giveaway tonight. Go to iamtaxes.com. It's a little friendly competition. Okay, it's gonna be we're playing bingo. Whoever wins in bingo is going to walk away with the cash giveaway. So make sure You guys go and grab your bingo cards. We are going to be getting started here shortly. All right, so I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start the game. I think we had. I think we got enough people. Make sure you grab your bingo cards, and I'm gonna start it up, so we can get some things rolling here. All right. All right. So the call is I-28. Okay, I-28. I-28. And if you guys know, you always get that free one, right? So it's diagonal or it is I think it's diagonal, it's horizontal, something like that. You got to get 5 all the way across, okay? I-28 is the first call. Let's put it in here. I-28 is the first call, and let's do it. Let's do them 2 at a time. I'll make another call, okay? Let's see. I-28 is the first call, and then B2. I-28 and then B2. Okay, make sure you grab your bingo cards if you're just joining in. You still might have a chance. We're still early in the game, so it's the first call was I-28. Second call is B2. If you don't have your bingo cards, go to iamtaxes.com and then select play bingo at the top. And you can get an opportunity to win some cash tonight. Okay. And let me know if how we getting, how close we're getting. Okay. I gotta see if y'all who's getting close to bingo. Okay. So far, only 2 I-28 B2. Okay, so as you guys are diving into that, another option is and we're talking through tax tips as we're going through this. But then the tip number 4 is that there's also direct file expansions. So there's a pilot program that's going on that they're trying, that is now available in 25 states for free, right? So if you're gonna be filing your taxes, there's some simple, if you have just a basic simple federal return, you have the opportunity to be able to leverage direct file expansions, right? So that's something to keep in mind. Okay. So as you guys are, let me know in the comments if you got it, right? So first call is I-28, second call was B2, and I'm gonna make it a couple more calls here in a second. But make sure you grab your bingo cards at iamtaxes.com and select play bingo, and you might win some money tonight. Okay. All right, I'll make the next call. Let's see where we at. You gotta let me know in the chat. The first person in the chat that says bingo is the one that wins. Okay, and if you see me looking all over, it's a competition between Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. All 4 of y'all. Okay, so first person to call out bingo wins. Okay, so first thing we got I-28, then we got B2. Next one is I-27. 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 All right, so we got I-28, we got B2, we got I-27. B2 and I-27. Don't forget y'all free spot, y'all. Don't forget, you never forget the free spot, okay? I-28, B2, I-27. I'm gonna make it a couple more calls. I'm gonna get to 5, and then I'm gonna die. I'm gonna put in at least 2 to 3 more calls. I don't think anybody's called bingo yet. It's not close, okay? And then we gonna roll to it, okay? Let's see what we got. B8. 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 All right, so I had so we got so far we got B2, we got I-27, we got B8. Okay. Yep. So you got to go to iamtaxes.com. So iamtaxes.com, or if you're on Instagram, comment the word bingo and I'll send you the link. If you're on Instagram, Instagram or Facebook, DM me or comment bingo and you're going to get a copy of the link to play bingo, okay? Or just go to iamtaxes.com and hit play bingo at the top. But we are about to go through our fifth call. We've gone through 4 so far. I-27, B2, I-28, and then B8. Okay? Let's do a couple more. All right, let's do another call. I don't see a bingo yet. We got B9. 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 Somebody's going to be happy going to tax season this year. So the call is B9. B9. Let me know in the comment section. I need to know who's getting close. And sometimes I can the ones who are in the room, you guys get live. You guys, if I'm getting closer, y'all better let me know. I might speak whatever number you're looking for. Okay, speak whichever one you're looking for. Okay, call number 6. 067. 067. Make sure you guys go to iamtaxes.com. At the top of the list, you will find it says play bingo. Grab your card. You still have an opportunity, and all you gotta do is look at all the calls. Okay. So let's see what we got so far. I'm gonna put them in the chat so you guys got it. We got 067, we got B9, we got B8, we got I-27, we got B2, and then we got I-28. And you are gonna have to send me a screenshot if you want the cash giveaway. Okay. All right, we got I-27, I-28, B2, 067. 067. Who's getting close? Anybody close? Y'all far off. Do I need to start calling some N's? And then B9. Okay, good, good, good. I bet my wife is probably even on right now playing. Okay, let's do another call. We got 063. 063. 063. Make sure you grab her. All right. Oh, we got 063. We got 067. Actually, I forgot. I have this over here where I can see this. What a blessing. Getting there? I bet. 063, 067. We got B9. We got B9. We got B8. We got I-27. We got B2. And then we got I-28. Okay. I put them in the chat. Here we go. Oh, I forgot. I can add them over here. That's fair point. Okay. All right, here we go. Next call. Next call, we're about to dive into some tips here, okay? I'm gonna do 2 more calls. Okay, let me know. 064 and I-16. 064 064 and I-16. Uh-oh. We getting close? 064 and I-16. All right, how many players we got right now? Okay, let's see. Let me peep real quick. Okay, some competition. We on call 9. I'm hoping I don't gotta do a whole bunch of calls. Let me know if y'all getting close. Okay. All right. So we got I-16 was the last call. And then let's talk through this real quick. While people are still playing the game and making sure you got your numbers. If you live in California, disaster relief deadline. That's another new update that has happened. Okay, so taxpayers that were with the crazy stuff going on in California with the wildfires and Hurricane Helene that happened that resulted in some different just different situations and some crazy things. You have extended filing deadlines, right? So make sure you're looking at what those deadlines is for you to be able to file your taxes, because the IRS is giving you some extra time to have your filings, and that's quarterly payments. That's your normal filings. You have some extended deadlines, some extra time, and then you can also get some deductions because of that. Okay, so keep that in mind for my Californians and all my other ones out there. There's a lot of different new stuff and benefits for you. So make sure you guys are taking advantage of that and you guys are staying up to date. Okay. All right, let's go. So let's do call 10. Let's do call 10. Call number 10. We got G49. G49. I wonder if I can put it in here. Let me see what it is. G49. G49. Let me move this. We're gonna do G49, then we got I-30. G49, then we got I-30. Ooh, I get a card too? I might get bingo on y'all. No, I'm joking. I might get bingo on y'all. Hold on now. Somebody's definitely got to be close, because if my card is saying I'm close, or actually, wait, I can see somebody. Oh, so one of y'all close. Maybe this is y'all. See, guys, I'm only 30. So bingo wasn't something that was always up in my. It wasn't always my thing. Okay, somebody's close, man. So y'all better check y'all numbers. I believe somebody is close to winning bingo here. Okay, so make sure y'all and you got it's. I'm going based off whoever says bingo first. Okay, so make sure y'all got it. I-30. I think I put it on here YouTube, right? Yeah, there it goes. Yep. So we got 063, 067, B9, B8, I-27, B2, I-28, 064, I-16, and G49. Okay, anybody getting close? Let me know in the chat. Put type in close if you're close. I know you probably got to go back and forth. All right, all right, all right. Ooh. All right, I'm about to do a couple more in a row. Okay, y'all ready? G55 and N40. G55 and N40. G55 and N40. I know somebody's literally just waiting there, like getting ready to just bingo. I already know. G55 and N40. And y'all got a comment too. That's the only way I know. And it's all, I'm live on all platforms, all four of them. So y'all got to be the first ones, okay? So make sure you guys got them. G N40 was the last call. I'm gonna do one more. N36. Oh, I put N36. Okay. So we got I-28. We got B2. We got I-27. We got O63 B8, O67 I-27 B2, I-28, O64 I-16, G49. We got a lot of good stuff, man. A lot of good stuff. Anybody close? We got a decent amount of players. Somebody's got to be close. Y'all about to make me have to call like five. Let me see if I can see the card. Somebody might come in and be a sneaker. Okay. It's a lot of people close. Okay. All right. Let me know. All right, let's do another call. Another call. I'm gonna talk about the next thing. We got I-19. I-19. The link should be. So what you have to do. So for the last minute ones, you got to go to iamtax.com. Then you hit the play bingo at the top. You have to put in your email and then join game. Okay. So iamtax.com, play bingo, then hit join game. Right. Give me a thumbs up if some of you guys were able to find that. All right. Good, 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 good. All right. Here we go. So while people are able to get into that as they find that, let's do so a couple deadlines that you guys should know about. So obviously tax day this 2025 is going to be April 15th, okay? And then the extension deadline is going to be October 15th of 2025. So make sure you guys have that in your minds, in your horizon to file your taxes on time. It's going to be really big, okay? I actually may have a couple more for y'all, but I'm trying to announce this winner. I want to see who's getting close, and somebody might make a comeback. That's what it's looking like. It's looking like somebody's gonna make a comeback. How much battery do I have? Okay, good. Do, 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 do. Let's do another call. Time is money, y'all. I'm trying to give away this money. Y'all taking forever to. Y'all need to get better cards. Y'all need to get better cards. Next call, B15. 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 All right, so let's see what I got. All right, so I know some of y'all just hopped in. So I'm gonna give y'all a fair opportunity. Okay, we got we got I-28, we got B2, we got I-27, we got B8, we got B9, O67, O63, O64, I-16, G49, I-30, G55, N40, N36, I-19, B15. Okay, All right, y'all still have some opportunities. Nope, nobody says bingo yet. All right, so let's keep it rolling. Next two calls, we got B6 and we got N45. B6 and N45. B6 and N45. When we get to 20, I'm gonna roll through it again. I'm gonna start doing them. I'm gonna roll through all of them so you guys can re-listen and hear it again, and make sure you're not missing out on one. But we're on call 18, N45. All right, let's see. All right, somebody's gonna get close. Let's do these last two. All right, and make sure if you're on your mobile device and you go to imtax.com, you got to hit the hamburger, to be able to see the other links to be able to hit the play bingo. Okay, it's one of the different tabs. Okay, all right. Let's look at another call. So we got N44. Did we get that? N44. So it was G53 and N44. All right. So let's do a quick recap. See if anybody. Hey, if first person to say bingo on all platforms. I'm looking at all of them, and I see we got we got over 10 people on here. So we'll see who's gonna win. We got I28, B2, I27, B8, B9, O67, O63, O64, I16, G49, I30, G55, N40, N36, I19, B15, B6, N45, G53, N44. Anybody close? I know somebody's close. They just probably had you recheck your numbers. Don't miss out. Recheck your numbers. Why is this? No wonder old people are always there for like forever. Right? They be playing bingo for hours. I'd be like, dang, how y'all just rolling the little thing all day and y'all haven't gotten to bingo yet? I'm the type of dude that just I might just yell bingo before I even actually have bingo. I bet you Jordan's gonna win. Just knowing, I just have a feeling. All right, I'm about to do 5 calls. Y'all ready? I'm about to do 5 calls. Okay, we're gonna go I26, B11, B7, O66, G47. And I know some of y'all who that y'all have an extra phone or something. You have to bounce back and forth to try to make sure you have it. So make sure y'all track that. Okay. So I'm gonna put in one of the chats. Let's see. We got I26. We got B11. We got B7. We got O66. We got G47. G47. How many calls? I think it's typically isn't it like typically like 70? That's why I'm about to start. I just went in fives. I might go in tens. Somebody's got it. Somebody's bound to win for sure. All right, here we go. Next five calls. G47. I think I already said that one. Yep. 060, 061, 069, I22, G60, and N32. All right. Look, I had a flood of people just hop in on the chat. Watch, so I'm about to roll through these. I'm about to give another five. So that for the people who have been here, y'all have the opportunity. One of y'all better hit bingo. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do another 10, and I'm gonna roll through all of these. Okay. First person that said bingo, we getting close. There's only 75 calls. Somebody's about to win. Okay. Here we go. We got N32, which I think I said already. Okay, 31. N33. N33. 068. 071. N37. G59. I23. B14. B3. B1. 075. Somebody's winning right here. I'm calling it. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I'm checking. I gotta see who says it first. Uh-oh. Here we go. All right, full recap. Okay. Full recap. 40 calls. You only got 30. Well, it's only 75 calls. So we getting close. Okay. Full recap real quick. I-28. Rapid. So you better be ready to tap. Okay. I-28. B2. I-27. B8. B9. 067. 063. 064. I-16. G49. I-30. G55, N40, N36, I19, B15, B6, N45, G53, N44, I26, B11, B7, O66, G47, O61, O69, I22, G60, N32, N33, O68, O71, N37, G59, I23, B14, B3, B11. Okay, I just rolled through all of them. If you want the full list, if you're behind, it's been on YouTube. I've definitely been typing it on YouTube, but if you missed it, you missed it. Let's see who's got bingo. We gotta have somebody close for sure. All right, nobody on IG yet. Nobody on Facebook. Nobody on YouTube. Uh, we might have to keep calling. I'm gonna call another 10. You go. Somebody's gonna win bingo before we hit the hour in 7 minutes. This game is gonna end at 7 o'clock for sure. Okay, here we go. Call another 10. And it's all about who says it first. Who says it first? Okay, here we go. Next 10. We got, well, technically it's 9. But we got I-29, B4, I-18, O-74, O-62, N-35, G-46, I-20, B-10, and then I-24. right. So again, that was I-29, B4, I-18. We got O-74, O-62, and 35, G-46. Wait, yeah, G-46, I-20, B-10, I-24. Do we have a winner? I don't see any bingos yet. Oh, we got a bingo. I had a feeling it was gonna be somebody new too, somebody who just hopped in. Shout out to Noah. I got you. I'm a cash app you. It's funny because I already got your cash app, so I got you. All right. Well, that is the game. All right. Do I got any more taxes for y'all? All right, y'all. IRS opens up tomorrow. Again, if y'all need any assistance, I appreciate you guys for hopping on and playing bingo tonight. I might let me know. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. If you want me to do this more often, I'm thinking about just having some fun, going through some games, playing some games, talking about taxes, making it a little bit more fun and understandable. But if tax IRS opens tomorrow, if you guys need any help with filing or anything taxes, make sure to go to iamaccountingllc.com or go to iamtaxes.com, and it's right there. You can start working with my team today. All right. Y'all have a good night, and I will see y'all. I hope y'all have a productive week, and y'all have a good night.